Welcome back to Two More Sprays, ladies and gentlemen. Louis Vuitton fragrances are probably one of the best summer fragrances, or I would say most luxurious summer fragrances available in the market. But let's be honest, 30,000 rupees for a bottle, I don't think everyone, including myself, would be too interested to buy or give for a bottle. The good news is, I think I have found the best two Louis Vuitton fragrances, inspired fragrances you can buy today. One capture the magic of Pacific Chill, and the other one nails the DNA of imagination. And together, I genuinely believe these are the two LV style fragrances most people need. In my personal opinion, I think Pacific Chill बहुत fresh है, especially for the people who are living in subcontinent like us. I would say the best fit. Same with Imagination as well. So Imagination again give you very airy, soapy vibe, very luxurious soapy vibe, I would say. So I think again that is something which we need, especially when you are into the monsoon, humid summer zone. Before we get into the fragrances, a quick note here: we need to understand why LV popular in the market. First of all, unique composition, one of the most important factor. The second one, the fresh fragrances are really high quality. So let's get into it. In that list, I would rate Rare Reef very highly. So Rare Reef is a inspired version of Pacific Chill. So I got the buzz, I bought this bottle, and it has cost me somewhere around 2700 rupees. But trust me, I have tried Pacific Chill as well. There's so much buzz in the market, especially for the Louis Vuitton. Even today, if you search on the internet, people are going crazy about it. So I bought that 10 ml decant. It cost me around 3,500 rupees, and then I bought this bottle. To be very honest, I think this performs much better than the Pacific Chill. Yeah. I know, I'm going very brutal here, to be honest. This performs better than Pacific Chill. Pacific Chill won't last more than 4 5 hours. No. This has an inspired version for sure. It is very close to Pacific Chill. I won't say 100%, but it's very close to Pacific Chill. It performs much better than Pacific Chill. You can easily get 7 to 8 hours, but the profile is very much close. It has its own twist. Green, fresh, citrusy at the top note. बहुत smooth है. Especially for us, I think people who are looking for a fresh fragrance, I think this is probably one of the best office fragrance, I would say. In the list of daytime fragrance, I would rate it very highly. जिस तरह से composition है इसकी, it's भाई starting में ना, to my nose at least, you can't say it's very different from Pacific Chill. बहुत close है, very close to Pacific Chill. ड्राई डाउन पैसिफिक चिल का थोड़ा थोड़ा सा डिफरेंट कह सकते हैं बिकॉज इट्स अडेयर टू दैट lemony fresh fragrance for the longer time. Probably excellent complement factor, very smooth dry down, absolute banger for sure. Almost 10%, less than 10% of its price, you will get the entire 100 ml bottle. Performs better, projects better, longevity better than the Pacific Chill. So I would not suggest to waste your money. सो एटलीस्ट आई विल नॉट डू दैट. मैंने बहुत पैसे खर्चा करे हैं यार फालतू में ना, ये डीकैंड के चक्कर में. 10-10 ml का डीकैंड मंगाया मैंने डिजाइनर परफ्यूम्स के. तुम यूज भी नहीं कर पाते हो सही से. आई मीन या मैन नहीं यूज कर पाते यार. व्हेन यू हैव तुम लेयरिंग, अगर तुम्हारे पास कोई ऐसा एक्सपेंसिव परफ्यूम होगा एंड यू विल हैव ओनली 10 ml, यू विल ट्राई टू लेयर इट विद सम अदर फ्रेग्रेंस. सो आई थिंक go for this one. Don't waste your money until unless you are a part of the Blink. At least I'll not go for it. From last 2-3 years, I have realized that I have wasted a lot of money, and things as the performance of the Middle Eastern perfume are really great these days, especially from last 3 years. There's no point actually. There's no point. You are getting high quality fragrance at a very fractional price. So what's the point? Now coming to the next fragrance, which is Arabiat Prestige Marwa. So this inspired by Louis Vuitton Imagination. Top note थोड़ा citrusy है, black tea का note मिलेगा आपको. Ginger है, ginger as in the middle note organ से, I would say dry down में you will feel that freshness of ginger. बहुत airy है, a luxurious soapy vibe मिलेगी आप. पाउडरी है, that kind of fragrance it is. It's not very conventional summer fresh fragrance. It's very different from the mainstream summer fragrance. Luxury without paying a huge amount of money. Again, the price point somewhere around 3,000. I think this is probably the best or the closest version of Imagination present in the market right now. Projection wise, 2 hours. Performance, 6 to 7 hours. Okay, quick note here. I have seen many people talking about यार ये काम नहीं करता है. The performance is not great. They're not getting that kind of longevity. Even the projection wise, I have seen a couple of reviews where they say कि भाई नहीं काम कर रहा है. So we need to understand why it is happening. It's very common in fragrance world. यार ये जैसे मैंने अपनी पहली वीडियो में बताया है, there are many fragrances which kind of disappointed me at very first. I think that could be the reason. Probably maceration नहीं हुई है properly, और लाइन का भी, प्रोडक्ट लाइन का भी इशू होता है यार. What is the batch? So batch पे भी डिपेंड करता है कि कौन सा बैच है. Sometimes usually the prior batch जब लॉन्च होते हैं they performs really great, but over the time some of the fragrances who does not care about their brand value kind of dilute over the time. But I don't think they have started getting traction in the market very recently, and this is their one of the best seller perfume for sure, and they are riding very high on this one. So I don't think they're gonna do the same kind of mistake. Probably it's not have macerated well, so give it a shot. Put it in your closet for at least 30-40 days, and then I would say so. यार मुझे लगता है ना, मैसेरेशन के लिए तुम्हें कम से कम 3 महीने छोड़ने चाहिए फ्रेग्रेंस को. लोग कहते हैं 1 महीने 1.5 महीने में ठीक ठाक हो जाती है फ्रेग्रेंस. हो जाती है, ठीक है, बेटर हो जाती है परफॉर्मेंस. बट अगर इफ यू वांट टू गेट द बेस्ट आउट ऑफ इट, आई थिंक 3 महीने छोड़ना चाहिए. 3 महीने लगते हैं यार किसी फ्रेग्रेंस को ना, किसी परफ्यूम को एक्चुअली मैसरेट होने में. आई थिंक 3 महीने लगते हैं. सो या, दिस इज व्हाट इट इज. If you are looking for something which is fresh, fruity, vibrant fragrance all day round, which not scream it loud like a gentleman, stay there for a longer run. Office fragrance के लिए, office setup के लिए चाहिए, professional setup के लिए चाहिए, तो go for this Afnan Rare. और अगर तुम्हें कुछ luxury चाहिए, very different from the crowd, luxurious, soapy, airy fragrance, elegant, refined, expensive, then try this one. Go for this one. Yeah, I would say if someone is looking to buy a Louis Vuitton fragrance, buy both of these. These are great fragrance, especially in summer. बहुत मजा आएगा. Both are really great fragrance for daytime, even for the evening time. I think these are my favorites for summer. If I have to pick top 5, I think both will make the cut. Let me know in the comment section what do you think about these fragrances, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and support the channel. And yeah, don't forget the thumb rule. When you feel you are done with your fragrance, 2 more sprays always.